Hi, my name is Alisher, and today I would like to talk about how to create your first campaign in Domain Active. So obviously the first thing you have to do is log into Domain Active and now locate the Campaign Wizard tab. It may not be available to you by default. If it isn't here, you would have to contact your manager and get further instruction from them. So we go to Campaign Wizard. Then we're going to have to create our first campaign. Usually we follow a standard naming convention. You don't have to do it, obviously. It's just something that we generally do in our company. It's the name, vertical you're going to be targeting, geo you're going to be targeting, traffic source you're going to be using. It can be something like TikTok or Taboola or Facebook or whatever else you are trying. And the last would be feed provider, which in this case would be Domain Active, which we usually just type DA for short. Then you would have to choose a category of what you're going to be, promoting essentially, right? For this example, let's choose dental implants. It's a standard category that a lot of people start with. Dental implants. As we can see, there's dental implants and grants and all the other stuff that you need. If somehow the category that you're looking for is not available in these options, you can always create your own category over here. But Domain Active kind of like advises and really asks its users to choose categories from the existing ones that you can find over here. Right? So basically, I guess the question that you might have is, does choosing this category affect traffic? And this is where we've got mixed opinions and mixed results. Domain Active managers say that it doesn't affect your results and it's only for internal purposes. But some of our buyers notice that it can affect keywords that appear and like some of the results. So it's going to be up to you and up to your testing. But yeah, again, the main idea is that you just have to declare here what is it that you're going to be promoting through this campaign. So again, let's go with dental implants. We're just going to name it, I'm just going to name it like test and just everything leave it as is, right? So now we go to domain registration. We're gonna have to pick some sort of test domain. As it says here, do not pick any trademarks. So try not to find and get a domain something like Sony today or something like Samsung buy now or whatever. You cannot do this. There will be repercussions. Just pick something general. If we're doing dental implants, let's go dental implants. And let's go 2023 buy now. It's not a good domain, but for the purposes of this video, it will do. All right, it's available. Great. So essentially, Domain Active will buy a domain for you, and you'll be able to use it for your campaigns. So you just simply press select domain. Here is where you're going to be inputting your keywords that would affect results that would appear on your landing page. So once again, you usually just pick something that is connected to your vertical. Let's say dental implants near me. Again, how many keywords you put in here, that's up to you. Usually people put from 4 to 10, something like that. But for the sake of this video, I'm just going to put 1. I'm just going to press proceed. You don't need to worry about any of this. You can use imprinting if you are going to be promoting in Europe. So you have to put in this check mark over here. But for the sake of this video, I'm not going to do that. Just press proceed, and that's essentially it. You check that everything is correct, and then press create campaign. It will take a little bit of time, and there we go. So from here, you can take a look at some of the traffic sources that you're going to be using. They can be more, they can be less. It's all going to be based on what you've negotiated with your Domain Active account manager. So you can get the URL you need and just copy it and paste it into either directly TikTok or Taboola, or you can put it in some sort of tracker like Clicklflare. But I want to show you more of what you can do in Domain Active. So I'm just going to close this window and I'm going to go into campaigns. Here you can see the statistics of like how much traffic has been going on, all that kind of stuff. So let me just find the campaign that I just created. It's this one. All right. In the last video that I made, which was analyzing keywords, I talk about all of these statistics and how to utilize them properly, how to analyze your keywords. Here I'm just going to show you what you will need if you're going to be connecting your campaign to Cloudflare. You would go to traffic source URLs, right? And here you're going to find working links. Unfortunately, I cannot show them due to privacy reasons, but I'm sure you'll get the idea. So here you will find that it shows the default rotator. So like it's essentially something that helps track your campaign. Like it's something that helps Domain Active track your campaign better. That's the way I should put it. So you just basically take this, copy everything before the question mark. Copy everything before the question mark, and it will be ready to put into your tracker of choice, like Cloudflare. Again, if you're going to be working directly with TikTok or Tableau or Facebook, you will be copying the whole link. Okay. So there's also show naked links, which is essentially it removes the rotator that I talked about before, right? So it just shows you directly your domain that you just registered, which in our case, it was dental implants 2023 by now, right? It was our domain. It just would lead directly to Domain Active. So basically, whatever you choose, show naked links or not, the link would work every time. It's just that Domain Active recommends and asks to not use naked links anywhere except Facebook. And for Facebook, you you put this check mark here, show naked links, and copy the naked link or like directly your domain, right? So once again, it's going to be the same idea. Copy everything before the question mark. If you're going to be using tracker, if you're not going to be using a tracker, copy the whole link. I hope it was easy to understand. I hope you kind of like got the idea. If you still have any questions, feel free to ask me in the comments. I would love to answer them to the best of my ability. Thank you for listening, and I hope you have a wonderful day.